How's it going on? In this video, we'll show you how to buy treasury bills on Vanguard. These are yielding about 5.5% APY, making them one of the best cash investments right now. And to buy these amazing assets, we'll first log into our Vanguard account. Up on the very top, you'll find a tab labeled Products and Services. Below, you'll find all of the investments offered by Vanguard. Treasury bills are known as fixed income products, so you'll actually find them under the tab labeled Bonds. On this page, you'll then find more information on all of these fixed income assets, and some of the most popular ones are US Treasuries and municipal bonds. The one that we'll focus on today is US Treasuries. So to find the current rates, click on View Bond Rates. Next, we'll select the account that we want to trade with. Please note though that you need at least $1,000 to buy a single treasury bill. Now I personally have some available cash under my SEP IRA, so I'll pick that one and then click on Continue. Here you'll find a quick summary of brokered CDs and treasuries to choose from. There are many short-term treasuries offering anywhere from 5.4 to 5.5% APY. Very attractive rates, especially considering that most high-yield savings accounts are only offering about 4.3% APY. Now, if you want a detailed search, click on Treasuries on the top tab. Here, you can filter for treasuries on the secondary market. But if you want freshly minted T-bills, you can select Auction under the market type. And these are new T-bills for recent and upcoming auctions by the US Treasury. Today is Monday, so they're only showing the results from last week. But if you log in on Tuesday instead, you'll find a fresh selection of treasuries to pick from. And these are very popular for those of you investors who want to buy new 1, 2, or 3 month treasuries. For me though, I just want a guaranteed high yield, which I can lock in via the secondary market. I'm also looking to invest my money for about 3 months, so I'll select the 1 to 3 month treasury list. Here you'll find many options, and there's even a scroll bar because there's so much variety in terms of yields and maturity dates. This treasury bill right here offers 5.4% APY with a maturity date of December 7, 2023, which is perfect for my own needs. But if you want a higher yield though, there are better ones out there with farther out maturity dates. But once you're happy with your purchase, click on Continue. Next up, you'll find the amounts that you want to invest. I have about $1,000 on this account, so I can only buy $1,000 worth of bonds. If you have more money though, feel free to invest more. The only thing to note is that you can only purchase in $1,000 increments. But once you're happy with your pickup, click on Continue. You'll then review and submit your treasury purchase. And be sure to check that the yield and maturity date have not changed during your selection process. Next, you'll verify that the purchase amount is correct. In my case, I'm investing $987 today, and on December 7th, I'll be paid back $1,000, giving me a total profit of $13. Not much, but that does cover a double meal at In-N-Out. I'm happy with that, so I'll select Submit Purchase. Orders are processed very quickly, and you'll soon have a confirmation page. If we select Order Status, you'll then see that the order was immediately executed for that agreed upon price. Now, if I go back to my dashboard, I see here that there is a US Treasury bill under my account earning a very high amount of interest. Relatively speaking, of course. As always though, if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. With all that said, have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.